How to change your HFM account's password. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to change your HFM account's password, then don't worry at all, it is quick and easy to do so. First of all, open the HFM application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go to the More button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Inside the More menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and click on Security Settings. After you're inside this Security Settings tab, tap on Change Password. Now on the next page, enter your current password in the first field. Enter your password correctly that is associated with your account. After typing in the current password, on the next field, enter a new password you want to change to. Finally, repeat the new password in the last field and click on Change Password at the very bottom. You'll then need to go ahead and enter the 6-digit code that was sent to your email associated with HFM. Go open up your email service provider's inbox and you'll receive a 2-factor authentication code. Copy that code, get back to HFM app and paste it in. Once you are done, click Confirm at the bottom and you have successfully changed your password on HFM account. Now whenever you try to log in, you'll need to enter the newly updated password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.